Welcome children. Now third class mathematics. Open your textbook. Take pencil also. Open your textbook. Page number 51. Fifth chapter. Fifth chapter. What is your fifth chapter? See. Using addition and subtraction. Open your textbooks. Page number 51. Open it. Okay. Now see. Kittu feels that addition and subtraction are related. Can you help Kittu solve the following problems? See here. See how many leaves is there? 1, 2, 3. How many leaves? 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Which symbol is this? See. Plus. Plus means addition. 3 plus 4. Here see. This is equal to 3 plus 4 how much? See here. How many leaves is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many leaves is there? 7. So here addition. First of all, should do addition. And next subtraction also. This related to only. Here 7 leaves is there. 7. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 leaves. There subtracted. Subtracting only. 1, 2, 3. Here cutted only. There one line is there. You observe? Observe it. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines only subtracted. See here 7 minus 3. Total how many leaves is there? 7. How many lines are cutting? 3. How many lines are cutting? 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 3. Remaining how many leaves is there? Once you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many leaves? Remaining 4. 4 leaves. So, now write 4 leaves. Understand? Same, next one also. See, what is this? What is this? Teacups. See here in first box, how many cups is there? Once you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many teacups? 4. So, you write here 4. So, which symbol is there? Plus. Here also plus having only. Next box 2, how many cups are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many? How many teacups is there in third box 2? 8. See here, observe this. 4 plus 4. How much? 4 plus 4. 8. See here. In this box. Addition will completed. Next. How many teacups is there? 8. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many teacups? 8 teacups. But here subtracting only, one line keeping only. How many cups? 2 line keeping. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many cups is there? 8 cups minus subtracting only here. Okay. How many lines? How many cups 2 lines having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cups. Here right? 4. 8 minus 4. So remaining how many cups having? Here 2 only drawing. See here. Count it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Right here. 4. Understand now? Same this one also. See here. How many having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? How many having? one 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 4. Total will count it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This like also same only. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Understand? Here 1, 9 only having. Total how many? 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will cutting only. So subtracted. So 9 minus 5 remaining 4. Understand? Understand children? Using addition and subtracted. Related with these numbers too only. You observe 3, 4, 7. 3 numbers only will taken. Here also will 3 numbers only coming. But symbols only different. See here. Here plus. Here minus symbol only. Observe it. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Understand? Here also same. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Here also. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Understand now? Addition and subtraction are related only. These numbers too. Same. See. Here now. Here Kitu subtracted. Next page 52. First then adds. You also like that only. See here. First subtracts only. She did. See here. First. How many chocolates having? Count it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many chocolates? 5 chocolates. So 5 to how many cutting only here? Line having. See. Observe it. Line. See. 1, 2. 2 chocolates to line only. Subtracting. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 equals to remaining 1, 2, 3. 3. Here 1, 2. So this one subtract. Here to here subtracts only. Next here addition. 2. How many chocolates? 2. Plus 3 equals to how much? 5. See here. Only 3 numbers only will taken. 5, 2, 3. 3 numbers will only taken. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Understand? 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Here also see. See which one? Which animal is this? You don't know? Which animal? Rabbit. See how in first box how many rabbits are there? Once you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many rabbits are there in this box? 9. So first of all you write 9. Now subtract. Here giving lines only. So you keep subtract. Subtract symbol what? Minus. What? 9 minus. See here. How many rabbits to line will give? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 9 minus 6. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Here only given. How many are remaining? 3. So you write here 3. 9 minus 6 equals to 3. See here same. First how many having? This one subtraction. Subtraction will completed. Next same numbers to addition only. This how many having? 1, 2, 3. 3. Which symbol is this? Plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next box 6. So what will do? 3 plus 6 means how much? Addition will or subtraction? What will do? Addition, good. 3 plus 6, how much? 9. How many rabbits is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, this one also. Same, apples also same. Okay? Understand? You observe this, you write and income. Okay? You write this one only. You do this problem. In this apples is there, you count and write here. Okay? Understand, children? You only do this problem. Next one. Try this. Look at the example. Write correct number in the circle. Here given circles. See here given circles. So, you observe the correct number. Okay? Here giving symbols also. 40 plus 15 equals to, see here, 40 plus 15 equals to how much? 55. 55 plus 15, 55 minus 15. 55 minus 15 how much? 40. Here also same. See here. 60 plus 25 equals to 60 plus 25. First you check it. In ones place, what number is there? 60 plus 25. How much? 0 plus 5? 5. 0 only? No. 5. 6 plus 2? 8. So how much? 60 plus 25? 85. Good. Here see, 85 minus 25. So you observe, 60 plus 25, how much will come? 85. In that 3 numbers to only same equal will come. 9 minus 6 equals to 3. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. So here, 60 plus 25 equals to 85. 85 minus 25 equals to, which number is there? 60. Right here, 60. Understand? Here also same like that only. 160 minus 40. Which number will come? Here too. This number. Good. In 2 numbers only having. Remaining which number is not there? 120. So it is correct or wrong? Once you check it. 160 minus 40. Is correct or wrong? Once you check it. See here. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 1. It's correct only. Okay. See, this one also you say. 120 plus 40. How much? 120 plus 40. These 2 numbers only will coming. Next number is not there. So, write next number directly. Easy only. 3 numbers having means 2 numbers will come. Next number, what number is not there, that number only write. That is correct. See here, this one also. Same. 95. What numbers given? 95, 35 plus 130 given. So, 95 plus 35 equals to how much? Again, which number is there? 130. Here write 130. See here, 130 minus, which symbol? Minus, subtraction. 130 minus 35. So, how much will come? This number only, 95. Understand, children? You observe? See here, this one also. 220 plus 140. Which number will come? Say. Good. 360. Here also same. 2 numbers is there. 360 minus 140 is there. This green color line. See. Green color balls. 360 minus 140. So, which number is not there here? 220. Here only write. 220. Understand now? Once again Once I repeat. See here. Here given 40, 15, 55. 3 numbers only given. So 40 plus 15. Here giving plus symbols only. 40 plus 15. Which number will come? Here what number is there? That number will only come. Here also same. Once you check this. Here 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. 3 numbers only. 3 plus 3, 4, 7. 3 numbers only. Here plus will coming. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Minus will coming. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Like that only. Same here also same. 40 plus 15 equals to 55. 55 minus 15 equals to 40. Understand now? Small logic only. Very easy math. See here. Verify the following problem. Here also same. Pinky solved the some subtraction problems. Geeta verified them with addition. Can you verify the rest of the problems like Geeta? 78 minus 25. See here. 53 plus 25. 78. Same numbers. You are observing only 3 numbers only. 78, 25, 53. Once you subtract, will do. 8 minus 5. How much? 8 minus 5. 3. Good. 7 minus 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 only. 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Here also same. See here. 260 minus 34. Understand? 226. 226 plus 34 equals to 260. See here. 548 plus 548 minus 326. Here 8 minus 6 how much? 2. 4 minus 2. 2. 5 minus 3. 2. 222. Here what will write? 222 plus 326. 326. So what will come? This number only, up number 548. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 5. 548. This number only coming. See here. Here also same. 468. 136. 332. Here 332. See 332. Observe it. You know 332. 136. Which number will come? This up number only. 468. You once observe it. Again you observe it. Is it correct or wrong? 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. Understand now, children? Okay, this one also see. Here 507. Ones, tens, hundreds. Understand? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 576. This one 329. 576 minus 329. 6 minus 9. Not possible only. So we'll take borrow. So neighbor home, which is neighbor home in ones place 2, tens place only. So here 16. So 16. 16 minus 9. How much? 7. Here 6. So 1 will going here only. Remaining 6 only having. 1 will subtract. 7 minus 1 equals to 6 only. 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. Already given here. Answer. So 247 plus 300 and here symbol is not given. You are only keep plus symbol. Understand, children? 329. Right here 576. Understand? Here also you keep plus symbol and do and come. Okay? This one you do. Okay? In second bit, fourth problem, D problem, you do and come. This one. Okay? This one homework. Okay, next. Fill the missing digits. Here giving some numbers. Some boxes also giving missing numbers. So how to write? Once you check it, some example. 319. See here, 1's place 9, 10's place 1, 100 place 3. 319. 187. So here giving 9 and 2. In box only given, missing. So 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Here 8 having, 3 having. So how to write? Here 1 only having. So here not number is there, but here 2 will take. 11 will come. 8 plus 3, how much? 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3? 11. So 11 means here 1, here also, here 2, here 1 borrow means this number is 11 will come. Understand? So here which number will come? 1. Understand now? Next. Here 6, 8. First of all, you observe total number and box and symbols also you observe it. Okay? Some missing some numbers. 6, 6. 66. Some how many hundreds? Don't know. See here. Minus 248. Here 2 box and box. See. 8, 6 minus 8. How much? Not possible only. So will borrow will come. 16. 16 minus 8. How much? 8. 16 minus 8. 8. 16 minus 8. 8. So here 5 only. Understand? 5 minus 4. How much? 1. Here 2 is there. 2 plus 2. Here add it, okay? This number is don't know, no? 2 plus 2. 4. So, in up number is what? 466 minus 248. Understand now? Same this number also. This also. 6 minus 2. How much 6? See. 9 box 6 minus 452. 6 box. 6 minus 2. Which symbol is there? Minus only. 6 minus 2. 4. Here giving 5 and 8. Which number will come? 8 plus 5. How much? 8 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So 13 means here will 13 will write. Here 13 will write? No, wrong. Here write 3. What will write? 3 only write. Understand? Here will borrow will come. Here write 3 write and borrow will come become 13. So here 8 only having. 1 will borrow will going only. So here 8 hundreds only. Here 13 tens. Here see 1 tens. See here 8 minus 4. How much? 4. 936 minus 452 equals to how much? 484. Understand now? See once. Here also 500 in 100 place only. In ones place not their number. Box only given. 500. Don't know. Here minus 143. Here 3 plus 7 plus 3. How much? 10. So 10 only, right? No, 0. So here is also not there. Here 2. Here 2 will coming. So here 4. Here 2 will come. Here 10. Here 9. Here 4. Understand? 9 minus 4, 5. Is it correct? Okay, correct. 4 minus 1, 3. Correct. Next. So, once again I repeat. 460. See. Boxes will write first. 6. What symbol is there? Minus 8. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So, you take tens place. This is ones place. Tens place number will take and do subtraction. Okay. And next same. Here this place. Here only having this up only not their number. So this one added. This number will come. Understand? So next problem. You do homework and come this problem. So observe children. What learned today? Using addition and subtraction, chapter 2. What? First of all, addition and related to subtraction. Understand? Same numbers to, same 3 numbers to, addition and subtraction to, related to doing only. Next, subtraction and addition. First we'll do subtraction and next addition. Here, try this problems only. In 3 numbers to 1 number is not there means this numbers to only writing. 40 plus 15 equals to 55. 55 minus 15 equals to 40. These numbers only. Next, see here, understand this? Once you check it, you write, you are doing a right or wrong. 60 plus 25. I will take directly 85. So once you check it, 60 plus 25 equals to 85. Understand? See here also same. 85 minus 25 equals to 60. Here also same. Same. This one also same. Here some boxes will given. Understand? Total this side box given. This side subtraction. Here having this one. Subtraction related addition. Understand? Subtraction related addition. Same like this only. This problem is also same. First of all doing subtraction. Same this numbers to only addition. Here also same. One example will given. Understand children? Okay. You do these problems and observe this all. Practice do and come. Okay. You write this what will given homework. This one and this one and this bit. Okay. 3 bits homework do and remaining also practice do and come. Okay. Okay children.